Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn changing nature of concept of national security. In last some lectures we have seen introduction of national security, means how that national security concept is changing day by day. We also seen there, means what is the meaning, means in Sanskrit language there is a different meaning of security, and we have also seen that, means Chanakya's Arthashastra there is a means he writes about the security. Okay, and in 1980 to 1990, with this how this national security concept is change, that we learn about, means Willy Brandt and Olaf Palm's some views related to national security we have seen. Then non-state actor, means it is a non-governmental organization, means how this work, how this important of non-state organization is increase day by day, that we have seen. Now today we are going to learn comprehensive security. See, what is comprehensive security? The age of globalization that come in the 1990s saw a lot of changes taking place in the world. Means nowadays it is a, means 1990s we saw from this in world level there are many change related to means there are many change taking place in the world. The world become interdependent in the area of economy and technology. This world that is interdependent means they depend on each other. Means many countries they depend on each other. For example, poor countries they are taking the help of which country's economical condition is good. For example, we also, means India is a developing country, means we are taking the help of Russia, America, like this way developed countries, and we can do the progress with the help of, means some whatever the need. Okay, means it is the interdependent related to economy and technology also, means we can import and export many equipment related to technology. Okay, communication become faster and cheaper due to TV, mobile phone, internet, etc. Non-state actor or non-governmental organization and voluntary organization become more active and relevant in day-to-day life. Means if you are seen, then today because of the means TV, mobile phone, internet, because of that world become, means communication become the faster, and non-state government, means these organization and voluntary organization become more active, means these are more active and relevant in day-to-day life, and that's why that, means if you are saying comprehensive, means it is a very broad concept. It is very broad concept. Now see, it is in this context that the concept of comprehensive security and human security become important. These concepts link the security of the country, because these concepts link the security, means these concepts are related to security of the country to the security of people and society. The main area that are included in the concept of comprehensive security, means which some concept related to comprehensive securities, these are given here. See, first is environmental security. The issues involved in the environmental sectors include ecological problems like pollution, energy problem, population issues, food related problems, climate change, water resources management, etc. Means these security, environmental security, is related to these all the issues. Means how this related to all the issues, because these are related to environment. Environment means it is the responsibility of government to take, means they should be take care of this environmental related security. Okay, means these are related the environment, and that's why it is very important to means government should be give proper attention to all these security. Then economic security. This focuses on the problems of poverty, employment, opportunity. Means if these government should be focused on this poverty, employment, because if is they increase their poverty level, then only possible to develop the development of country. Employment, every people should be get the employment. It is the responsibility of government. Okay, then only it is possible to increase the means condition of development condition of country. Then societal condition, see security. Societal security means related to group of people, okay, or related to any part of society. The issues of migration, social conflict based on religion, ethnicity, or caste are discussed here. Means these are the problems related to societal security. Issues of migrations. Migration, why people do the migration? Because of the many religions. Because in India there are many religions, many languages, many customs, many races, and that's why if means because of these people can get migrate. Okay, social conflict because of different religion, okay, or different languages also. Ethnicity because there are different customs people are there, okay, different religions, different races. And caste means it is the responsibility of comprehensive, means it is very broad concept, and that's why it is responsibility of government to means they should be give the proper attention to that societal security. Political security. Threats from the political conflicts base and ideology or religions form part of this issue. In threats from the political conflict means there are many parties are there, and because of this means these are based on the ideology or religions. Means some parties, for example, if you see Shiv Sena, then Shiv Sena is related to Maratha people. Means like this way, these are related to religions. Okay, means some parties they are means they stands for the political means this ideology or religions, and that's why it is very necessary to give the means to keep away these threats from these political conflicts. It is the responsibility of means government. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the next part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.